Hi, my name is Simon, and in the following series I'll teach you step by step how to create your first website within the SiteManager platform. Let's get started. Of course, before we can get started, we need a briefing, and that's exactly what we received from our client Pulse, which is a soon-to-be launched custom-tailored dog food company. They sent over a quick overview of their branding, and the briefing itself says they want a comprehensive landing page to support the launch of their brand. They would also like to capture some email addresses of potential clients. To give ourselves a head start, I chose to use the SiteManager UI kit, which is freely available for Figma. This kit consists of a whole lot of website components that are pre-built within the platform. That way you can shift real quickly from the design phase into the development phase of a project. So, using this UI kit, we've put together a quick design for our landing page, which starts off with the logo, of course. Beneath the logo there's a hero image of a dog craving for some food and a call to action button. Next we have a custom component which wasn't included in the UI kit, so we'll have to build this one from scratch. There's also a small image grid where we'll have to provide placeholders for 3 images, and to top it off, a form to capture some potential clients' email addresses. Our client was happy with our proposed design, so we can get started building the website itself. The first thing we'll do when we start a new project is defining the style sheet. SiteManager is built on the idea of a design system, so we'll have to define the styling of headers, buttons and our color scheme just once in a style sheet, which is easily manageable. After we've finished our style sheet, we can start adding components to our project. There are 2 different types of components within the platform. Layout components are used for building blocks that are repeated on multiple pages like headers or footers, while page components define the content of a page itself. So, of course, we'll start off by adding a layout component, which is the logo banner on top of our page. By default, the SiteManager logo is used, but we can replace this in our general settings, and then the platform will use our little box wherever we place a logo. The logo is a bit too big to our liking here, so we'll open the design panels where we can add some styling. Here we can easily resize the logo and add a background color to our banner, just like in our design. Next, we'll add our first page component by clicking on the little plus icon. Under Platform Library, we can find all the components that were available in the UI kit. The first one we'll need is a hero image with content. We add this component with a simple click and we can immediately change all the content inside the component. Let's add a title and check out what it looks like. Alright, let's add the background image of the dog as well. By clicking on the Add Image button, our media library will open. Here we can divide our images into different folders and see how much storage we have left on this project. When we upload our image, we get a little warning sign that our file size might reduce our page speed, but no worries. Within the developer tool stack, we can add compression to all the images within our website. The next component in our design is the custom component, but we'll skip that one for now. In the next chapter, I will teach you how to build components from scratch. So let's head over to our image grid right now. According to our design, we need to have 3 placeholders for images of some dogs. Placeholders always look a little bland, so we'll add some stock photos so the client can imagine better what the project will look like. SiteManager has an integration with the free stock photo website Pexels, so we can add some pictures directly into our project. So, we added our image grid and we're almost done for this episode. Within SiteManager, we can give our clients access to our project so they can edit the content of their website themselves. We will help them out for now and add some text to our hero banner with the inline text editor. Also set some things to bold. I would also like to make the text a little bit bigger. We can switch to the design tool and click on the text, and then the design panels, which we also used earlier for our logo banner, will open up. Within these design panels, we can add all kinds of styling without using any CSS. And that's it for today. We've used the SiteManager UI kit to give ourselves a head start. Then we've adjusted our global style sheet, we added the layout component, 2 page components and used design panels to style them. In the next chapter, we will build our first totally custom component from scratch. See you next time.